This platform can create 2D drawings, 3D visualizations, construction drawings, and animated videos, and all of these in one place. Time and effort are two important aspects in the architecture industry, and we've been moving towards more efficient tools along the way. Today, we'll dive into Coohom, a web-based design platform that not just ticks the boxes but goes far beyond. Coohom is a web-based design platform where you can create 2D drawings, 3D visualizations, structural drawings, and all of these in one place. Let's dive in and see what this tool is all about. I'm Salman, an architect and illustrator. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon for notification. So let's get started. The link to this platform is in the description, and one of the most standout features of Coohom is that this is completely web-based. This means you don't have to download hefty files or need a high-power computer to run the software. All you need is an internet connection and you're ready to go. For both professionals and students, whether your teammates are around the office or around the world, everyone can make edits on the same drawing at the same time. This is what the homepage of Coohom.com looks like, and here we have a gist of all the features that this platform has to offer. As I mentioned earlier, this one platform offers all the tools needed to conceptualize, design, draft, and create documents all in one place. You can sign up by creating an account or by using your Google account. Right when you log in, you have this page which offers tutorials, ideas, and all the tools necessary. On the left side, we have different tabs. All the projects that we create are located in the My Projects folder. Inside the personal library, we can upload models and textures and customize them. The AI gallery is where all the images that we generate using AI will be stored. Under the Light Video option, we have video templates and video management. Inside this, we have a pre-made set of templates that we can use for our own project and create videos like these in no time. We can also switch between the aspect ratio of each template. This also has some impressive animation templates that can help us create impressive videos in a short span of time. And similarly, under Photo Studio, we have products and studio collections. Inside these, we have some pre-made photos and videos that we can use for our own project. This way, we do not have to spend time in setting the camera angles or the perspectives. Inside User Center, we have details related to our subscription, coupons that we can redeem for different aspects. We can also earn points by completing different tasks, and these coins can be used in the subscription section. Inside Design Community, we can explore a lot of projects by other designers, and these can be a great source of inspiration. Let's see how to start a new project in Coohom. To get started with a new project, let's head over to My Projects section. Under this, we'll be able to see the projects that we previously created and also create a new project. Let's begin by clicking a new 3D project. This will show a number of templates that we can use to get started with our project. As you can see, we can start drawing directly or import a CAD drawing that we created. We can also import an image, and this is a very interesting option that I saw in Coohom. You can search for a floor plan from any city in the world, and this will show templates of that specific city. For example, let's search for New York, and this will show sample apartments that are available on the internet. Once we import them, these will be available inside our editing page, and we can work on them directly. We also have pre-made templates of different configurations that we can use to start our floor plan. This is the page where we start drawing a floor plan. Let's look at each of the functions that this page has to offer. On the left side, we have tabs which has different elements to draw the floor plan. We have wall structures, doors and windows. We have the public library, which has all the elements needed to furnish the floor plan. Similarly, we have materials and components. The AI feature allows us to generate images and also create suggestions in a floor plan. In the advanced tool, we have components related to bath, closet, and doors and windows. These are customizable according to our design. On the top, we have options related to the file, undo and redo, clear options, and so on. This camera button has options to create perspective views, 360 views, and so on. The gallery, where we can look at the images that we created, and this option shows us the construction drawings and bill of quantities. Let's start using the drawing tools and look at the rest of the options simultaneously. We have different tools to start drawing our floor plan. We have the wall option, where we can specify different characteristics of the wall, adjust the thickness, snapping, and we can start drawing directly in the workspace. We also have the option to draw a room, where we can specify the X and Y dimensions of the room. Adding doors and windows is extremely simple, and all we have to do is to select an element and drop them into the plan. And these right here are a custom set of doors and windows that we can add into the plan and customize them. Making adjustments on the width of the walls is extremely simple, And all we have to do is to select the elements and drag them in the direction that we want. This makes the drafting workflow extremely simple and also maintains the accuracy. You can see the same floor plan in 3D simultaneously in this tab right here. You can also use the orbit button to switch between the angles. The select room option allows us to select a specific part in the floor plan. Using these options right here, we can switch between 2D and 3D on the main screen. When we switch to 3D, the tab on the right side displays the drawing in 2D. We can use the mouse buttons to orbit or pan between the drawing. Also, we can look at the elevation of each wall separately. This will allow us to design specific parts of the wall elevation. The walk option in 3D allows us to look at the design from an eye level. We can also turn off specific layers using these options and change the display mode right here. Now to try this further, let's draw a simple 1 BHK floor plan in Coohom. We have the room option, using which we can simply draw the rooms by typing in the X and Y dimensions. We can use the same option to draw the other room subsequently. In case you want to adjust the walls, we can simply click a wall and drag it along to adjust. Once we finish drawing the walls, we can use the custom door option to add door and window openings. Coohom has a variety of doors and window options, so it makes it extremely easy for us to choose the type of door and window for the floor plan. As we draw the rooms, it also shows the area of the room. We can use the floor editor option to change the texture and pattern of the floors. We can select the floor pattern for each room individually, and this will be updated in the main floor plan that we're working. Let's now use the AI template to furnish the floor plan. This is a tool that I've personally never seen on any other softwares, and this works like magic. All we have to do is to select a room in the floor plan, choose the type and style of the room from these templates, and click Apply. Coohom uses AI to automatically find the best furniture layout solution for the room that we selected. Let's switch to 3D to have a look at the layout that was created. Let's now check out the furniture library to see how the other spaces can be furnished. One of the most impressive features of Coohom is the extensive model library. With over 1 million models available, the library includes not just furniture, but also includes construction elements and materials available for both interiors and exteriors. With this vast library, we don't have to model any elements from scratch, and all we have to do is to drag and drop the elements into the design. This saves a lot of time in the modeling process. Adding furniture into the plan is extremely simple, and all we have to do is to simply drag and drop them in place. The models are also extremely detailed, so we don't have to spend time in altering them or adding more details to each element. We can type and search for each element as well. I am using a combination of AI tool as well as adding blocks individually to furnish the entire floor plan. This makes the process extremely easy and it's really fun to use. The material editor option allows us to select each individual elements to modify and customize the textures. Using this tool, we can change the wall colors, flooring patterns, and add details like moldings. We can also customize the textures, including the offset, angles, and so on. The wall editor option opens the wall separately, and we can add details to this specific wall easily. This can be really helpful when you want to add panelings or paint textures to individual walls. Similarly, we can choose a ceiling, and this will open the ceiling editor. This opens the ceiling of the room in 2D, and we'll be able to create the ceiling design just like how we did previously. We can also use the AI template to create the ceiling design, and this makes the process extremely simple. Choose the ceiling design and click Apply Ceiling, and this will be added to the room that we selected. Let's now jump into creating the rendering. The image and video option opens the tool for the rendering. We can choose between the resolution, the type of render, and the angles. Let's change the background of the scene and hit generate to see what it turns out. It takes about a minute in real time, and the render is stored in the gallery. Now that was the modeling and rendering process that we did in just a few minutes. Now let's look at another project that is even more detailed. Here's a sample project of a living room available in Coohom. This is a well-detailed model, paid attention to the ceiling design, furniture elements, and decor. It follows the same process as what we did previously, and it's only a matter of drag and drop to create the design. As for the materials, we don't have to spend too much time in adjusting the characteristics of each one because all of those will be automatically adjusted in the render that we create. Let's try creating a few rendered images to see how it turns out. When we choose the perspective view, we see an option called Smart Angle, which automatically suggests the best angle for the design that we're creating. We can select a view from these suggestions and make a few adjustments to create the best angle. Here are a few renders that we created using this model. We've only looked at the key features of Coohom, but the use cases of this platform goes far beyond. You can create precise construction drawings and export bill of quantities from your design file. You can work simultaneously with your team from anywhere in the world without the need of a high-powered computer. And the platform is so intuitive that you don't even need a tutor to help you get started with the platform. You can jump in and get started for yourself. Check out the link in the description to get started. So that was the quick walkthrough of Coohom. I hope you found this video to be helpful, and if you did, please hit that like button and share this with your friends. You can follow me on Instagram and the handle is right here. I'll see you on the next one.